Hey guys, we're gonna be tearing down this Ego to see, what cells are in here, and what kind of BMS is in here. So just received this. It is a 4 amp hour 56 volt Ego, and it was from September 2023. Date code is 2023. You guys can see that. Let's open this up, take a look. 2 bars. That's how they should be shipping them, by the way. Never ship a full battery. I think it's a T20. Let's see if I have where I put it. This should be it. One down. That's a T20. Yep. Let's see. Oh. T15. Yep, T15, guys. These were probably the best ones I found. Security, drill bits. Usually use some magnets, get it out. Okay, 3 there, or 5 there. Okay, so what you're seeing here is essentially silicone, all factory here, to keep, during vibration. These are in lawnmowers and everything else, so during vibration you don't want these coming out, so they put silicone here, some sort of thermal goop. All right, so see, those are leading to the BMS wires. So let's see if we can get another view. Brand new battery. So they make a whole bunch of changes all the time during these. I wouldn't be surprised if another date code right after this is different than what you're seeing here. So just keep that in mind. But the concept's the same. Keep that on. And I believe this comes out too. There. So here are the cells, some of them. And these are the BMS wires going to those. So you have some here, screws. And try to, without taking out the BMS wires, let's see if I can get to the cells from here. Should be able to. Yep. Okay, so you want to do this really slowly because the wires and stuff are still connected, and you don't want to short anything. And you definitely don't want to do this on a full battery. Okay. Let's see if it's hung up on anything here. Yes. All right. So this part you can see right here where your terminals are, and it's still connected. I believe there are. It just comes off. But let me see. It's hard to get a good view with the camera right in my face, but yeah, right there. You see that? It's 2 screws. As soon as you unscrew those 2, this will pop off and you can get a glimpse, but I think we are good here. We can pretty much see the cells. They're covered here, and you know, I've seen it with and without, but it's hard to kind of see what cells they are with that cover on it. So let's see if we can get, without tearing into the pack, see if we can get a closer view. Let me get a blade here. Got a scalpel here. See if we can get a closer view. Just tearing into the plastic here. It's weird that they started doing this. I can't remember if it was a recent pack, but I didn't see this, but they're covering up, you know, the cell. I can get the first glimpse of the cell here. You can see. Let's see if we can make out a model number. Looks like a teal color. It might be an Eve cell. I did read, someone came across these. They said they had the same date code. Essentially, they switched to Eve cells, but looks like Eve. Let's get a nice open part here. Yeah, they really went all in. 99.9% sure that's Eve. So it's 2 amp hour, and make sure I'm still in view here. Yeah. All right, so clearly you can see now that is an Eve cell. Let me get you guys closer here. Eve 3.0. So 3 amp hour cell, which makes sense. It's a 4 amp hour 60 volt battery. And get a little close up, you can see it's the 20P. Eve 20P. And sorry, it's 2000 amp hour. So it's 2 amp hour, 2000 milliamp hour. There. So these cells all together make 60 volts. I'm gonna use the same type of thermal glue here and pretty much cover this up, put some insulation to get it back to as close as possible to OEM. But I'm gonna use these batteries for myself. So just wanted to tear it down, kind of show you guys, this is again just a 2023 September date code, and this is they're using Eve cells in here. All right guys, later.